The first time I installed a RediRock wall, I knew that it was not going to be the last. We no longer take on any modular block walls. RediRock is the only retaining wall we install anymore.
My team likes the speed and all the equipment you can use to set it, as opposed to doing 8-inch or 6-inch block, which is like, 80 pounds a piece.
We cover 5 3/4 square feet with each block that's set in the ground, as opposed to 6 of the competitors' blocks at a time. It's all done by machinery, therefore it saves your back and your hands from getting tore up, and it's overall a stability, just a way better product.
It's the fastest wall system to put together that I'm aware of, and you can hold back a ton of hill and soil with a properly engineered system.
We are committed to installing RediRock and only RediRock. We have gone through the process of purchasing the equipment that's necessary to install these walls, and I don't see us ever going back in the other direction.